Hello guys, this is Vysh. So 2020 Prelims test series is on and I had made a timetable for you, 100-day timetable which begins tomorrow. Okay, June 11th onwards you can start, and then next 100 days you will be completing the entire syllabus from scratch. So a detailed video was out explaining the 100-day timetable, but again students wanted to see the sample test also. Already many sample MCQs are out there, and in the biggest detailed explanations are given in all our tests. So we'll show you how the test looked like. So, okay, even the economic survey I showed you end to end from top to bottom. I scrolled down and showed, so the same quality will be there for all my tests. Okay, every subject, the 63 test which I keep on telling about prelims test series 2020, it'll have the same quality as you see in your economic survey. Okay, so I'll directly take you to the PDFs so that you don't have any more doubts. So these are all the tests. Okay, like for example, these are the completed tests. Out of the 63, around 55 tests are already done, 54, 55. These are the tests which I'm working on now, the final few full test, and then the May current affair. See, if you see at the date 8, 9, 10 June. So every last 3 days, every day I'm working on it. Okay, 24 hours I'm working on it, and this has been being done since last 3 years. Okay, it's like a routine job for me now, like preparing test for students. So these are all will be delivered to the students. Now anyway, it's the final few tests. The initial all 50, 55 tests are completed. So you can take any one as an example. Okay, like history, full test answers. Okay, every test will have a question PDF and answer PDF, and this is how the answer PDF will look like. See, these are all taken directly from Sharma or Satish, Chandra. That is why the chapter name is mentioned. Okay, it will be very straightforward where you don't need to read any extra explanation. That is why there is no much explanation. But if anything has to be read, according to that, the number of lines in the explanation also will increase. Okay, so this is like a answer PDF of a history full test. History full test means this test will have everything, including ancient, medieval, modern, spectrum, art and culture. Everything will be there. If you go down to the bottom, see extra reading is also given after the 100 MCQs. See here, South Indian leader, so that's a modern history MCQ. So like this is how a history full test is. See here, I have a March current affair open for you. So March current affair, how a current affair PDF is, like I keep telling, the best current affair magazine in the country is Vysh. Why I keep telling that is, let me go to the top of this. I think it has got stuck. 1 second. Yeah, okay, this is MCQ number 1. So if you see here, we give an MCQ, we give the explanation in detail in the answer PDF. Okay, there will be a separate question PDF where you will have only this portion, what you see, the first options and this thing. Okay, without any highlighting of answer. You will have a question PDF for every test. So you can take it as a test also, or you can directly open this and read it like a magazine. Okay, so after every MCQ, there will be a link also. A link will be given for every single MCQ. Okay, that applies to every single MCQ of my current affair. That is, if I am giving you 12 tests of 12 months, 1200 MCQs will have 1200 corresponding link, and that link will be proving the authenticity of from where we have taken it. Okay, it's all taken from the standard newspapers or PIBs or PRS or anywhere like that. So you can see like this. Okay, same like I showed you economic survey. So this is the March current affair. Now if you want to see more test, because students also, one more thing I'll show you. In current affairs there is another section at the end. If we go after all the 100 MCQs, I include lot of notes also. Okay, every, like even in the economic survey test I showed you, and that will be at least 25 to 35 pages of notes. Okay, because if you, I don't know, yeah, you can see the page number here. It's 141 pages. In that, maybe 100 pages are the 100 MCQs. After that, there will be 35 pages of notes. Okay, which is important for UPSC, but may not be for prelims especially. It can be important for mains also. So that is why instead of making MCQ for that, I make notes for that. Okay, that is how elaborate the current affair magazine will be. And it's like 140 pages for selected months only. Like March month is this much lengthy because March month there was this corona issue is there, then parliament session was there, budget was there. That is why too much news is there. Else in 80 to 90 pages, my current affair magazine for every month will be there. Okay, and questions come directly from this. Okay, every year it comes. So this is how the current affair and one history test is there. Now if you want to see more subjects, I can show you. Like for example, polity. We can take polity. Why I'm showing you, because there we don't give much explanation. If this 4th and 5th edition, the new textbook, and I have covered a separate test, their explanations will be in length. But if you take the chapter wise test, okay, I have all the Lakshmikant chapters. You can do it in 20 days. Okay, 20 days you can complete full Lakshmikant. So here if you see, explanation will not be given for every question. Okay, selected sentences will be given if it is something related to current affairs also, meaning Lakshmikant is lacking something, then we'll give. Else our intention is to make you read the actual Lakshmikant. So we'll give you the exact page number. If you see here 1.6 means you have to go to chapter 1, page number 6. In page number 6, where you see the side heading of this particular act, moral elementary reforms, I want you to read that moral elementary reforms. Like that, Lakshmikant alone is designed like this because nobody can make better explanation than Lakshmikant. Okay, it's not like other textbooks. That is why we give like that. See here it's several chapters. That is why I gave you explanation also, and I gave you some things about current affair also. And this is actually one of the questions which came in 2018 prelims. Okay, directly this Coelho case about this schedule 9. Okay, directly it came from my test. So see here, page 2.1. So it's directly covering you your entire chapter by chapter. Okay, chapter 3, chapter 4, like that it will go. So that is about the Lakshmikant polity test. There are 10 polity tests. That's the biggest set of tests I have. Even history I have around 16, 17 tests I have. See, science is there. Full test is there. Environment, art and culture. You can go and look that also. See here, art and culture. You can pick any. See, set number 2. I'm showing you randomly. Okay, I cannot open every test and show you because it's a paid course. Okay, see here. This can be from Nitin Singhania, this can be from current affair, this can be from CCRT website. Okay, everything is there. Okay, last 2 to 3 years older current affair also is there. Useful charts are given, the terminologies which UPSC keeps asking. Almost everything you can imagine is covered in this thing. Okay, this is as I told, this is being done since last 2-3 years. You can so definitely depend on the quality. Any more doubts you have, you can ask me, because I don't want to make a very big video now again. This is the prelims thing, and again I can show you the Excel sheet one more time. This is the 100-day timetable. See, if you see here, June 11th it is starting. June 11th is tomorrow. That is why I'm recording this video today. So daily, if you do this way, if you read NCERT 6 standard for this 5-6 hours, then do the 50 MCQs by June. Okay, then 7th, then 50 MCQs of June. Like that, if you keep doing, I have given a very liberal kind of timetable. It's very you have buffer time, you have revision time, everything is there. It's not like it's forcing upon you. Instead of this, I am giving you a 66-day timetable also. Why? Because there will be students already enrolled to my test series who done all my test already. Okay, all these red color, all these are my test. So you can now quickly revise it in 66 days, and you can parallelly join the mains test series also, which is going on, which also is like 2 months. So 2 months for prelims, 2 months for mains. That is why it's all made. Okay, it's all integrated. It's not done like you will be doing this, then you will lose focus on something else. It's not like that. But students who are very weak, who like now only decided I need to give 2020 prelims, this timetable, okay, see, July, August, September, everything, okay, this will be 100 days, and in 100 days you will complete all the syllabus through my test, okay, including the extra months of current affairs, June, July, August, which is not currently in the package, which I'll be making in the coming days. Like now June month is going on. Once the month is complete, I'll be giving you this test also, but that you have to buy it extra. Okay, it's not part of the package. So the original price, okay, original price of this thing, this full package is 12,000 rupees or something, 12,499 when I launched it last year. Okay, because that time 65 test was there, 200 revision charts, snippet card, everything that is included even now. But now you have lesser time to study, so we are giving it 50% discount. Okay, so 5,999 is the cost of this, and you can come and buy the brochure if you want to see it again. The Excel sheet, this Excel sheet is given after you enroll. Okay, because this is not useful to others who don't have ICIS test. This is designed to complete our test in a time bound manner. Okay, so everything is like transparent to you. Okay, it's like any doubt, only the, I think test sample was thing which you did not see, so that also I have shown you. So any more test, maybe one more test I'll open for you. We can go back and we can see geography, economics. See, economics is very important thing with students still. See, Ramesh Singh based test is there, economic survey based test is there, or if you take any full test of economics, okay, this is like everything is there. So see, your explanation all is like whatever is needed. This is 93-page test. If you see 93 pages with charts, with graphs. See, what is treasury bill? About treasury bill, even if you don't know anything about treasury bill, you read this question, you read this explanation, you will understand what is treasury bill. Okay, see, UPSC's questions came, so that also we are referring here. What is the next one? External commercial borrowing. This also was asked in 2017 or something. So like this, if you don't know the topic also, if you do my test, you will be able to study each and every concept of every subject. Okay, prelims every subject without CSAT. That is how we do it. So what else is there which I can show you? See, these are all I'm working. Okay, I can show you that also live. I'm doing May current affair work now. See here, you would have living root bridge, you would have studied 2-3 years back. It is again in news this year. So which tribe is it related to? This is how I make MCQ. So I make the MCQ, and then I would have given the news link. See, Indian Express, I've taken from Indian Express. So it is all done very transparently, and it is all done. See, Ayodhya issue was there in news. So place of worship act is given. So that is covered. This is taken from Hindu. So every newspaper, every possible newspaper you can imagine, everything. This is a May current affair. Okay, this is the next test which my students is going to get. So I'll be working it next 2-3 days. I'll be able to complete it. Again, this is, I think, interstate water dispute, which came in essay also, which came in mains also. Everywhere it's a very crucial topic. Then see, salaries of CIC and IC. Even in Lakshmikant textbook, you would see like the statements 1 and 2 is true as per Lakshmikant. Okay, but a recent current affair has happened. Government has decided that now the salaries and term and everything of information commissioners, they will decide it by themselves. So this whatever is given in Lakshmikant is wrong now. Okay, it doesn't apply. That's a newer current affair. So when you study Lakshmikant there and now you study the current affair again, you will be combinedly getting the latest update of it. Okay, see, original act and new bill comparison I have given. So this is the detailing in which Vysh's test is. So I hope you will understand how much important it is for your prelims. Okay, so now I guess you will be at least realizing the fact that it is possible to complete 100 days 100% syllabus. Okay, so WhatsApp me again. I can give you the brochure in WhatsApp itself. It's there because many students are inquiring since the last few days. So you don't have to separately mail and all. In the WhatsApp itself, I'll give you the brochure PDF. But the timetable, 100-day timetable, you will get it only after enrollment, after making the fee payment. So that and all, come and WhatsApp me. I'll tell you. So I hope it's clear. I'll wind up this video because we have another session coming up today at 8 o'clock. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.